Alrighty, so we're finishing up example 1 on 7-2, Math 7, scale factors. So on a blueprint, immediately, a blueprint we learned from the other day is a blueprint a reduction or an enlargement. A blueprint is a reduction, R-E-D-U-C-T-I-N-N, because you're taking a larger building and shrinking it down to fit on a piece of paper. So 14 feet of a building is represented by 1 inch. So is that 14 feet, is that my scale, do you think, or is that my actual? Well, if I'm talking about a blueprint of a building, is 14 feet that's on the blueprint, or is 14 feet the building? 14 feet of a building is my actual, and then that 1 inch is the scale. So going back to that formula, that scale over actual that we keep using, question is asking me to find the scale factor. We just learned now that a scale factor means that we need to have the same units. Okay, so first step, right from our notes, write the scale with labels as a fraction. So scale over actual tells me that the 1 inch goes on top, and then that the 14 feet is going to go on the bottom. So that right there, we have my scale. This is my scale, but we need to take that scale and we need to turn it into a scale factor. Scale factor needs to have those same units of measurement. Right now, I don't have the same units of measurement because I have inches and then I have feet. So notes tell us to convert the larger into smaller. So we're converting feet. Feet are bigger than inches. We're going to convert feet into inches. I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So if I have 14 feet, that's going to be way more than only 12 inches, since 12 inches is only 1 foot, which means I'm going to need to multiply that bottom piece. Don't forget to keep the top of your fraction, though. That top isn't going to change. It's still going to stay that 1 inch. Okay. Oh, okay. So we just closed right out. There we go. Okay, so we're going to multiply that bottom by 12. Like we said, that top is still going to stay as 1 inch because we wanted our units to be inches. That's already inches. I don't need to do anything. 14 times that 12 is going to give me, I don't know, 14 times 12 is 168. Oh my goodness, children. I have been having one kind of a day today. All right, so 14 times 12 gives me that 168 inches. Now, you don't need to have the labels on there since they are both inches. So that 1 over 168 would be my scale factor. Boom sauce. That's it. That's all.